Hello peoples! Today we'll be moving the 850 to the car repair shop where replacing the exhaust, rear control arm bushings, tires and some other tasks will be a whole lot easier. First up though is an overall inspection of the underbody, repair some bits and pieces mandatory to pass the technical examination, and we'll flush the engine. And as so often by now, the old girl got another little surprise for us.
What was that?
Now let's dig right in. And so another stage in the project begins. Next time the 850 comes home, she should be legally able to do so herself. Now let's put her on the bridge, after Richie gets his S60 out of the way, and see what surprises we might find underneath.
Right, so these are our first impressions.
Fucking heeft gesneeuwd hier. Oh, sorry.
There are a few crusty parts here and there, but...
Dat spuitstuk ziet er nog redelijk uit. Kijk hoe shiny.
Ah. Ooh, shiny. Oh yeah.
Ah, there are the holes.
Oh yeah, we also have to fix those.
Yes.
True. Almost forgot.
And this bracket also.
Yeah.
A new filter. Maybe not a bad idea.
Probably should do that as well, yeah.
Oh.
What?
Those bushings.
Which ones?
That.
Oh yeah, those are pretty much dead. Yeah.
Replace that.
Yep. Some more rust?
A bit.
Yeah. Well,
Something to
it's
address.
fixable.
Alright, the first overall impressions are not too bad, although we'll have to do a closer inspection on mainly the exhaust sometime soon. So our main goal right now is to get the 850 to pass the technical examination this year, and in order to do so there are a few things which we need to address, including the exhaust, tires and lights. Now, the first thing we took a look at is the third brake light. It is not mandatory to pass the technical examination, as a third brake light is only required by law in the Netherlands on passenger cars from October 2001 or later. However, since that requirement is not for nothing due to obvious safety reasons, and we have one installed, we of course want it to work.
It's pretty much unfixable, so we're gonna try and find a new one.
And then there is also the mystery of that unconnected red wire, and so we did a little investigation work.
No idea.
Deze gaat hier ergens moeten zien. Maar dat is deze. Wat is deze? Die gaat ergens anders. Hier heb ik nou niet al stroom op. Of is er een lijn kapot. Of is er eigenlijk een kabelbrug in. It's very old.
Really?
Connecting straight through.
Now, that cable is going somewhere down there, so yeah. Get rid of that cover.
Brittle.
Yeah, maybe clean that out a little. So that's a constant positive.
I'm always positive.
Constant positive for a motorhome.
Trailer.
Yeah, so good. It all works, and we found out what that cable is for. So the next thing is the tow bar plug.
That's the lights. Blinker. Blinker. Brake. Fok. And reverse.
Wow,
It's all working.
that's good. Next. So that's the left going backwards light. Let's put a new one in there. Let's check to see if it works now. Perfect. Another problem fixed.
Bellissimo.
We had to fix the side indicators. They were both broken on both sides. So those are replaced. All lights are working, well except that third brake light, but we'll have to order a new one for that. So yeah, let's do the engine flush.
And in order to do that, the engine and oil need to be at operating temperature, and as we're on private property, we can do that while driving around.
Yeah, we need to adjust that parking brake.
It shifts.
Right, so we still got a clutch. It's good to know.
We would like to take this little moment here and thank the person who is kind enough to provide us a place where we can work on the 850 while it's on a bridge. This makes our job a whole lot easier, so thank you, kind sir.
And we still need to get these brakes braked in.
Oh no, we have ABS light coming on.
Uh-oh.
Spotty.
She's nice and warm now and she's still running pretty great. Everything looks and sounds real nice. And that engine, man, it's not moving at all. It's a good sign. Alright, let's add that flush and then keep it running for how long?
Hot engine. 20 minutes stationary. Laten draaien. Ooh, that's some stinky stuff.
Really?
This is going to go wrong.
Should I do it?
I can.
Right, let's leave it for 20 minutes. Let's see what that ABS light is all about, although it's gone now.
Should have stored a fault. Ah.
Alright, what errors did we get?
Luchtpompsysteem.
What's the air pump system?
We'll have to look that one up.
Right, we'll have to run in for 20 minutes. Let's change the oil.
It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
New oil filter.
You can always use some sandpaper for some extra grip.
Ja, die is voor links-rechts. Ja, en die andere, die je vaststaat met je rechterhand,
Ja?
daar kun je aan draaien, gaat die hoog-laag buigt, zeg maar.
Ah. Ja, doe maar olie bijvullen. Stom.
And that is 5 liters. And that is a flushed engine.
So some brooming the underside. Kijk je moeilijk.
Ja, vind ik gek. Fucking... Beetje goor. Alright, and that is all we could do today. So thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Hey door.